Brilliant. No problem, no problem. That's his time. Now my 2 minutes. My 2 minutes without interruption. First of all, he did not give an answer why sleeping with one's mother is wrong. He keeps saying science says that. Science doesn't say anything about sleeping with one's mother. Science has nothing to say with sleeping with one's mother. Science simply says if you sleep with a human being, another human being, this will happen. That will happen.
So why
wait. It doesn't. I didn't interrupt you. It doesn't say why it's wrong or why it's right. It doesn't say that. So science is not his defense. He has no answer. The conclusion is he has no answer. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. Your Quran. Wait. You when you marry, you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No,
do you have a wife? Do you have a wife? Do you sleep with her? Do you sleep with her? Okay, clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now, if you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janazah for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up.
1 second.
Time up. It's your time.
I'm taking the words.
Yeah. Start his time. 2 minutes.
No. Just
when you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse.
He has to look at his notes.
1 second.
Start his time.
Started already, yeah? 1 minute.
No. It's not. Let me take the words, then you can start the time.
Now I knew I didn't want to debate. He doesn't.
This is why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute, 10
they have
seconds
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science, he doesn't know philosophy, he doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim, he doesn't even know anything about Islam because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims.
We got it before.
All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. All Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
Okay, your time is up.
Yeah.
Adnan, your time now.
You got it yet?
It's my time.
It's your time now.
It's
Your
my
is
time.
up. You have to.
Now my time. Clearly, ladies and
Memorize it.
gentlemen, there is no verse in the Quran that says you can marry your child.
ChatGPT now.
No, guys, are you here to help me or are you here to cause problems? I hope he's not paying you.
Don't help him. Let him find it.
If you make noise, you're helping him.
It's your time.
Yeah.
So ask him.
So, ladies and gentlemen, he does not have this verse because this verse does not exist. We know the Quran. It's not there. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools. Right? Now we are talking. Show me the verse or you will apologize like a gentleman if you want. You're a kafir, and not every kafir is fully evil. Okay? There are kuffar who have principles. I hope you are one of those kuffar who has principles. Now my question is, if a person you cannot prove can sleep with his mother, then why would we follow what you are following? Why would we follow when you have no moral values to offer? When you have nothing to offer in return? You're saying you're ex-Muslim, I'm a kafir, I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, you're proud everything. But proud Muslim. So now you want Muslims to follow your kufr because you're kuffar. At least offer something in return. Say, yeah, we have a moral standard, follow us. In our standard, it is haram to sleep with your mother.
1 more minute left.
Okay, but in your standard, it's not haram to sleep with your mother. Because you are atheists, agnostics, right? You have no objective moral values. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not debating you. You have no objective values. He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay.
No, I'm telling the time. 30 seconds more.
I want you to give us a moral standard that we can use to live a happy life. We are Muslims. We are claiming we have a moral standard. We are living happy lives. We have discipline. We have education. We have great CEOs, doctors, scientists, philosophers, kings, sultans. We have all sorts of people. Okay. You, on the other hand, what do you have to offer? What do you have to offer?
Okay, your
I
time's up.
want to know why sleeping with one's mother is wrong.
It's your
Or
time.
why
Oh, you're still looking for it.
It's not there.
Do you need help?
No, I will talk. He's Hindu.
It's your time now.
wait. It's his time now.
So this is how you're going to debate, yeah? Online as well. Going to look on ChatGPT and stuff like that. Like a kid.
He hates ChatGPT. He hates ChatGPT.
I want all Indian Muslims. I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people, because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. This guy standing here in front of multiple cameras made a claim the Quran tells Muslims to marry their own children. I want the ayah. I want the verse right now. Or you apologize.
You got 1 more minute
I
left.
got it.
You got 1 more
He
minute.
got it. He got something. He's not sure.
Ask the IT team in India. Help support.
Ask Tel Aviv.
Sir, I'm Peter. Help me. All right, come on, quick, guys. Come on.
No, ask Tel Aviv.
They came all the way India for this, like a failed mission. For me, it is very clear. These guys,
there is
they
a
ask
reason.
questions, but they don't have answers.
There's a reason why you only make noise online. When faced with a Muslim who knows his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed right now.
30 seconds more.
You have nothing.
We've been waiting for 5 minutes now.
I want to go in.
30 seconds more. Then you ask again. Yeah, Mansur?
Let him find the verse from the Quran where it says Muslims can sleep with their children, their daughters. He is looking for the verse. He made this claim. Hold on. You know these people. This is not a joke. I want everyone to listen. This is not a joke. These people, these evil people, Zionists and BJP apologists, they make these claims online to hundreds of millions of Indians, and they make these people hate Muslims. These people cause all gullible Indian masses to hate Muslims because of their lies. But when we confront them, when we challenge them, there is nothing. So I am appealing to the Indian people, the Indian masses. Don't believe these liars. My time is already up.
No, ask another question. No problem.
He's not answering.
So-
He's busy looking for the ayah.
Maybe ask him about why supposed
okay.
Zionists
Now I'm
who commits genocide,
Okay.
which is worse than anything.
Next point now I'm going to make in my time. He doesn't have the ayah. He's pretending that he has something. I know there is no ayah. I know there is no verse in the Quran. Now that is clear, does he have the shame? And I know he doesn't. Hashim. He doesn't have the shame to apologize. He will not, because he's a Zionist. Zionists are some of the most evil people on the planet Earth. They are child killers. People who sympathize with them and agree with them are apologists for child killing. Zionists are liars. So is he. His teachers are Zionists. That's why he cannot find that verse in the Quran that he claimed is there. Now, why is he like this? Why is he like this? He's like this. Okay, he's gonna now listen to voice notes. No, brother, you're gonna be famous tonight in India, inshallah. You're gonna be famous.
You are literally a joke.
You're gonna be famous tonight. No, you're gonna be famous.
Don't worry. We will get.
All the Muslims in India, every time you see this guy, ask him for the ayah, ask him for the verse. Do not leave him alone until he apologizes to all the Muslims of India for causing hatred against them. Because people like him are being paid by the Zionists from Israel to spread hatred against Muslims in India. The BJP and the Zionists work together to hate Muslims and spread hatred against Muslims in India. You, the Indian Muslims, be proud of your faith and don't be intimidated by individuals like this. Always challenge them. Bhag jo, ab bhago, bhago.
Adnan, why do the Zionists eat Gai Mata? Why do they eat Gai Mata?
They don't care. Gau Mata.
They eat the cow, which is sacred to BJP.
Adnan, what
Why
he
do they
just said
eat
is Adnan, what he just said
There's no
is
ayah. There's no ayah. Yeah? There's no verse.
Why are you running away?
There is no verse.
Are you going to apologize?
Find it.
Apologize.
Find it. I'll wait. I will wait.
Adnan.
Once this video is out,
Wait. Even AI is not helping you.
once this video
Even AI is not helping you.
I'm Robin and my internet is down.
What's your
That's
name?
the only problem.
What's your name?
You don't know my name.
No, I don't know. What's his name?
No problem.
What's
So,
his name?
Once I upload
He
this
said
video,
Arif earlier.
you can watch. I told you this
Arif.
before.
Arif.
All the information and all the evidence will be there online.
No.
You're going to cut up the videos,
No,
and then you're going to go
That's
there.
what he just said.
No. Right here. Right here. Look at you.
Your excuse the internet. I'll give you internet. How about that?
I won't.
Your
No, we have
excuse the
internet.
I'll give you
Here, my phone. My phone.
I'll give you internet.
I will show you
No excuses now.
on screen.
My phone.
We are not going to watch your channel.
On screen it will be there.
Internet. No problem.
Take half an hour break and find the ayah, then come back.
His friend is telling him, भाग निकल वो बोल रहा है उसको निकल भाई
What he
भैया
just said
निकल
is-
यहाँ
what
से
he
भैया
just said
निकल
is he's going to cut it. He's going to give you an explanation
नहीं,
of the
नहीं.
video later on. We don't want that one. He's going to give you half an hour.
Next time, ex-Muslims, self-imposed
Come back
kafir,
here right
do
now.
not make challenges you can't keep. He challenged Adnan that he's going to ask this question, and then he has no answer, no evidence.
So
All he has to do is like the normal haters,
नहीं
make claim and run away.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा सारे इंडियन मुस्लिम्स के लिए कि ये बंदा जो अपने आप को ये जो बंदा अपने आप को काफिर कहता है और मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत फैलाता है झूठ बोल के कि कुरान में आयत है जो बोलती है जो कहती है कि आप अपनी बच्चियों के साथ शादी कर सकते हैं। मैंने इसको बोला आयत निकालो कुरान से और आयत नहीं निकल रही इससे। ये पिछले 10 मिनट से आयत ढूंढ रहा है कुरान की, इसको मिल नहीं रही, तो इसने झूठ क्यों बोला? हम इसको बोल रहे हैं माफी मांगो मुसलमानों से, क्योंकि तुम मासूम लोगों को झूठ बोल के उनके दिलों में मुसलमानों के लिए नफरत डालते हो। ये बोल रहा था कि मैं प्राउड जायनिस्ट हूँ, मैं प्राउड बीजेपी हूँ। ये लोग मिलके काम करते हैं जायनिस्ट के साथ ताकि मुसलमानों के खिलाफ इंडिया में नफरत फैलाई जाए। मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ कि मुसलमानों से माफी मांगो। और ये झूठा इंसान जिसने झूठ बोला इतने, इसको असल में इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं, इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं। आज इसने गलती की, स्पीकर्स कॉर्नर लंदन आ गया। ये समझ रहा था मैं यहाँ के अपने झूठ बोलूंगा, मैं बकवास करूंगा और मुझे कोई चैलेंज नहीं करेगा। हाँ,